welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazingly well. So today I'm going to be doing a different type of video, one that I've never done before, and that is a decluttering series. So I say it's a series more because I don't think I'm going to be able to get through my entire wardrobe, my drawers and all the crap around my beauty room if I don't do this in parts. So I thought I would take you through on the journey with me, and I personally love these types of videos, so I thought it'd be really good to do it myself. Bearing in mind my wardrobe is overfilled, I have a ridiculous amount of shoes, I have lots of other stuff just going on in the wardrobe that I just need to get rid of or sadly say goodbye to and allow somebody else to obviously enjoy it, and just kind of downsize the amount of things that I have. So I know I have an issue with shopping. I love shopping. When I'm bored I'll shop and I don't need anything, and I do think that if I understood what was actually in my wardrobe it might stop me from making stupid purchases that I just don't need to make, and hopefully save some money in the process. So let's just get started. I think I'm going to do this in parts. So I think the first one is going to be bags, because I think that'll be the easiest thing to tackle. It's at the top of my wardrobe and I can kind of put it on the bed and I can go through it with you and show you what I have, and just, you know, split things into keep, charity shop, bin, which I always hate throwing things in the bin. But if they're rubbish and it's just no one can make any use of it, it needs to go in the trash. So let's get started. I'm quite excited. Okay, so this is all my bags. Oh no, hang on. This is all of my bags. Even Echo's in disgust at how much rubbish I have. So what I'm going to just do is just go through them all and just start being quite ruthless with everything. So let's get started. So this is actually a backpack that I love and I use this for work. So this is a keeper, definitely. So I'm going to put keepers in front, trash in the corner and charity behind me. I think that's probably how I'll work it, and then I'll just get some bags and just put them where they should be. So I usually have this plastic case, and this actually used to be neat and tidy, and over the few months I kind of just shoved everything in there and it's just got so messy. Clutch bag that I'll use. I do love a black clutch bag. These are actually my travel bags. If I just neatly put them inside of each other, it would make them neat and tidy. I do love these because they're actually great to organise your clothes and stuff in when you're going travelling. I've got a tan bag. I do love a little tan like handbag, and I tend to take this if I'm going out or something. I just want to shove things in there, so I'll keep that one. So I have a Nike bag, Nike sporty bag that I think just can go to charity. I won't use it. Charity. Oh, this is my Barley Body case. It's probably a good makeup bag for someone, so I'll go take that to charity. Oh, my gloves and my hat. I've been looking for them. I have another little bag, which I actually really like this. It's a little River Island bag. And this is great for travelling as well. So I tend to put like goodies in there and shove it in my hand luggage. So I'm going to keep that one. Oh God, I forgot all about these. I've got teeny weeny black faux leather bag. And I got this from Barcelona. I'll keep that because that's great for a night out, I think. Just, yeah, it's a great little bag for a night out. Oh gosh, okay. This is my leather satchel bag, so I'm never getting rid of this. This is so expensive, but it was well worth the money and it's lasted me for years. I really need to reuse that. I mean, that's where I find paracetamol, all sorts in here. Another black faux leather bag. So I've got the suede one, but this is a black faux leather, and this is from ASOS. Grace Roberts, it says. So I actually really like that, so I'm going to keep that one. And I also have a similar clutch bag in nude, and I feel like you do need a variety of clutch bags. I feel like I'm not getting rid of anything. Oh, I can't get rid of this one because Gary purchased this for me, and this is one that he had specially made in Florence for me, and it's actually a leather bag, but it's just lasted me such a long time. I've had it pretty much as long as I've known him, so I can't get rid of this because I love it so much and I use it a lot. I just can't find it in all the crap that I have, so I'm going to keep that one. So there's a story to this. So I got this cute little leather bag I think it was a car boot or something, and this is from Topshop. I think this is a Topshop one. I don't think it has a tag anymore. It doesn't have the tag anymore, but this was so cheap. I think it cost me like 50p, and it's actually real leather, and I love this, to the point where I actually think I might swap it out for this bag. So I'm going to get rid of this one and keep that leather one instead. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Don't need two this type of handbag, and this is from Oasis. I mean, so I could try and sell these things, but I actually don't know whether anyone would actually buy them. So that's charity. I've got this like quite limited edition spray ground bag. I actually don't know if it's limited edition. I've got this when I went to Comic-Con, and I know they don't do many of the same bags. I think I'm going to keep that just for... Why am I keeping that? It's great for travel, I guess. And it costs me a lot of money. I don't know about that. I'm going to put that to the side because I need to make a decision and speak to Gary about that one. Gary purchased this for me from a vintage shop, and I actually have one very, very similar. Oh, which has my flip-flops in. God. Another annoying thing about me, I don't clean out my bags. So I don't think I need two, so I'm going to keep this one because I love this one. I mean, I do think this is cute, but I've never actually used it. So I'm going to give this one to charity, I think. And it's lovely, and I'm sure someone out there would adore this. So I might put it on Instagram and see if anyone would want it, because it's just so cute, and I think for the right quirky person it would be perfect. So I'll just pop that there. This is like my business type bag. This is from River Island, and I got this when I was 18. So there's no chance I'm actually going to get rid of this because I use this still now. It's a great bag if you're going to an interview, if you want to look quite smart for work, or even if you just want to look a bit classy and you just get out your friends, your girlfriends, whatever. I do love that bag. I feel like I'm more organised in these bags than I am actually doing anything else. Ooh, load of tampons. Poo bags. This is a bag I purchased from Sri Lanka when we went for our first honeymoon, which was obviously the time of the bombings. I've never spoke about it really, but I actually purchased this bag off the merchants that was there, because they obviously were trying to make some money because of their obviously economic climate of the bombings was they were going to completely plummet, because there was obviously a travel ban at that time. But yeah, so I purchased this, and this is obviously real leather, so well made that I mean, I love it. Obviously, yeah, I do love it. And it's like a tan bag. I love tan bags. This has got so much crap in, it's ridiculous. So So this is my faux leather black bag from ASOS, and I've got this for work. This is one of my work bags. I have a lot of work bags, but I like to obviously change things up, as you do, depending on what outfit. I love it. I'm not getting rid of that. I have my Peterworth travel bag, and I am obsessed with this. This is great for when I travel back to Birmingham, obviously to see my family. So I usually use this on the weekend. It's obviously only good for that. And then when we travel for longer than that, I usually use this for my hair stuff and everything else. So there's that. It's a keeper. Oh, okay, another backpack. Gary actually broke this bag and I've just never got it fixed, and I think I'm going to get rid of it. Then we go on to this one. This is one of my oldest bags I have in my collection. This is a Topshop bag, and at the moment it's actually a travel bag, and it houses all of my summer stuff, like my bikinis, everything. So I kind of just keep it just to kind of pull everything together. But I may need to go through that separately as part of the clothes declutter organise video. Then I have my current bag, which is actually my travel bag for New York, which I'm going to empty. And at the moment it's got all my work stuff in, because I needed it for work, but I need to empty that and move that across, because I'm actually going to use that for New York, but it is my travel bag, it shouldn't be used for work, so I need to change it over. So that is all of my bags. I'm glad I got rid of a few things. I probably will end up going over it again and maybe getting rid of a few other bits, but I'm going to just organise that now and then pop it back into my wardrobe and get rid of the rubbish that's in here. So my bags are now all sorted. I've just popped them in this box. I had to move the wicker one because it just wouldn't get in. But obviously the ceilings are high enough for it to be popped in probably straight there, but it's easy just for me to lay it on top for now. And obviously I've put my work bags inside each other, so they're just there, so I can just take them out whenever. Here is just a load of memory things and boxes, obviously for the technology ones that I have, and obviously my memory box and my sew kit, so I'll just keep that there as it is. And I've wiped all here. Honestly guys, that was so hard. So I've got my bag now over there, which has everything that I'm either going to sell, give to charity, or throw in the bin. I don't think there's anything in there I'm actually going to throw away. So it's all just either selling it. If I can't sell it, it'll go to charity, because I think maybe I should try and make a bit of money back. And I found it really difficult to let go of things. I don't know if everyone else feels like that. Let me just perch a bit. Like, I've really enjoyed filming this experience and obviously cleaning as I go. So there's still a load more things to do. That was just bags and I found that difficult, and there's not as many. I've got more shoes than I do bags. So hopefully I'm a bit more ruthless with the shoes. I feel like all the bags I do have are bags I use, and I use them in different occasions. So I don't want to get into a habit of obviously getting rid of something and then I need it and then I buy something else. So I'd rather just keep what I have. And obviously I'm proud that I've got rid of quite a few bags as well and bits, and now it's more organised and sorted in my wardrobe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is obviously part 1 of my declutter series. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, it really helps me, and that notification bell if you want to keep up to date with the rest of the declutter series and obviously watch my other videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you next time. Bye.